What's going on, guys? Dr. Jason Tirado here in my home. We are here with Tyler, and Tyler is all the way from
upstate New York.
Upstate New York, a place called
Schuylerville,
or the bigger town is Saratoga Springs, New York.
That's correct.
And he's got some. He used to have some back pain, lower back pain.
It's mainly lower back pain, yep, and it's been quite inhibiting lately.
Cool. He's a student over at Wilkes University with my son Blade, and they're here to get adjusted today. So let's kind of get started. Okay. All right. So why don't you lay face down first?
Okay.
Kind of get started over here. Yeah, lay face down over there. I'm going to start just doing a little work on your lower back just to loosen it up.
Okay.
All right. Hopefully this thing is still juiced up. I don't even know. Might tickle initially.
Okay.
You okay with that?
Yep.
All right, cool. All right, so I'm just going to loosen up your shoulders a little bit.
Definitely.
All right, if anything hurts or anything like that, just tell me.
You got it.
Shouldn't, though. I think the one I have in the office is probably a little bit stronger. I think so. And I guess we're going to do Nathaniel after this? I figured that. Cool. A little tender in there?
A little bit, but it's not bad at all.
Okay. Just relax your hands.
Good.
Nice and easy. Just going to start from back here. Measure up your legs a little bit. Yep, that right leg is a little, just relax your legs completely. Right leg is a little bit short. So we're going to work inside there.
Okay.
Well, you guys must have been working hard today.
Definitely probably smell like heat, huh?
I didn't say that. Cool. So all I want you to do is just focus on your breathing, okay? All right. You come a little closer. Good. I'm just going to lean your head to the side. I want you to just relax and focus on just breathing easy. Okay? Good. Just like that. Excellent. Good.
Go on.
Mm-hmm. Trying to give you a little ASMR here, Jules. Okay. Just focus on the breathing. Got it. Okay, just want you to breathe in really deep, please. And all the way out. Good. Do one more. Breathe all the way out. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Did that feel pretty good?
That was good, yeah.
Awesome.
It didn't hurt at all.
Awesome. Okay, what I want you to do easy is I want you to lay down on your side and face me right over here, please. Okay. Right on your side. Hey, now give me a pillow for a second. The small green one. Rest your head there. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Good. I'm just going to bring you right here. Okay, just relax your legs nice and easy. Come a little closer to the edge.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you. Just like that. I'm bring you forward a little bit. Good. Just relax your legs. Just going to stabilize you here a little bit. A little bit more. Breathe in again real deep. And out. Good. Okay. All right, come on your back, lay face up. Nice and easy. You take this. That's a tight lower back.
Yes.
Yep. Rest your head. Bring your knees up. Just like that. Just squeeze your knees together, please. Squeeze together. Good. Separate your knees. Good. And just relax here. And just let your leg just drop. Just relax your head.
Okay.
Just stretching out your hip joints a little bit.
Definitely.
Good. Good. Just like that. So I'm just going to just relax a bit. Good. Good. I'm just going to open the joint a little bit. Good. Relax right there. Excellent. Excellent. Just want to check your shoulder joint.
Of course. Very flexible.
Mm-hmm. Good. And just relax your arm. A little more. Good. Relax your hands.
Had a wrist problem many times.
I can feel that. You got some scar tissue inside there.
Yeah.
Relax.
So
Wow. Mm-hmm. Right there. Same thing here. Just relax a little bit.
no problems on this side.
Good. Super flexible on that side. Relax your elbow a bit. Good. And the wrist. Yeah, absolutely. You ever break that wrist?
I think I may have. I never had it checked.
Got it. Mm-hmm. Good. Hands right there. All right. Let's see how we're doing here. Adjust you right in there. So just want you to close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Good. Just going to open up this joint a little bit. A little more. Good. No, relax. Come back here. Mm-hmm.
I typically have a very tight neck.
I can see that. You might have to do this a different way. Good. And just relax a little more. Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, you do have a tight neck. Come and sit up nice and easy. Put your legs on that side. Jules, you can back up for a second. Mm-hmm. That is tight. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ask you to lay on your back one more time, face up. Hey, I need you to do something.
Okay.
I need you to grab his ankles.
Okay.
Alright? So you're going to grab his ankles, hold him here. Employee, doesn't it? I actually want to smell it. Make sure it's clean. I want to make sure it's clean. Alright, so next one, lift up your head a little bit. Come right back down. Okay. Rest your head. Put your hands down.
You're gonna hang him.
Yeah.
If you're pulling careful, this one a little.
Yeah, no, I just want you to hold there for a second. And I just want you to breathe in very deep. And breathe all the way out. Good.
Ooh.
Good. Excellent.
That
That's
was
it.
all down here.
Absolutely. Come and sit up nice and easy.
Yep.
Right here. Good. Legs on that side. Good.
I've never been able to pop like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's awesome.
Just going to adjust your shoulders.
Okay.
Come over here. Just going to bring your arm right over here. Just completely relax a little bit. Just let your arm just relax. I'm going to go down and up. Good, a little more. Good. Same thing over here. Just going to go out, down, and in a little bit. Just relax. Good. There we go. Just relax a second.
Okay. I do have something flexible with my shoulders. I might ought to show you.
Is that right? That's kind of nasty.
Yeah, I know.
That's pretty amazing.
I figured that might be important.
That'll be the next thumbnail.
Okay.
That'll be the next thumbnail. Good. Just going to loosen up your upper back a little bit, and we'll be done. That would be a cool shot without your shirt on to freak people out.
Definitely.
Doctor could
if you want to see a hair shot, you
dislocate
don't
some
want me to do
breaks,
that.
face and shoulder.
All set. All set. All right, so let me finish up right here. So, all right, guys, we're done with that adjustment. How'd you like that?
It was very good, actually. It didn't cause pain at all.
Good stuff. Awesome. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Dr. Jason Tirado, your chiropractor.
Thank you again.
All right. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. Check you out next week.